What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a really special pair, the Air Jordan 3 Retro OG Rare Air. I grabbed these from kickwho.cc, and if you use my code DECENT20 at checkout, you'll save 10 bucks. For this level of quality, that's honestly a solid deal. Now, let's talk about the sneaker itself. The Jordan 3 is one of the most important shoes in history. Back in 1988, Nike brought in Tinker Hatfield, and he completely reimagined what a basketball shoe could look like. Visible air, elephant print, a mid-cut design, and of course, this is the pair Michael Jordan wore when he took off from the free throw line in the dunk contest. That single moment basically saved the Jordan line. The Rare Air version takes that iconic base and adds its own unique spin. Clean leather, sharp elephant print, and special detailing that makes this colorway stand out. It feels both classic and fresh at the same time. Quality here is top tier. The leather is soft but sturdy, stitching is on point, and the shape holds true to the OG design. Comfort-wise, Jordan 3s are super wearable. They fit true to size, the cushioning is solid, and they work with almost any fit. Jeans, cargos, shorts, you name it. What I love about this pair is that it's instantly recognizable, but it's not just another retro. It's got those unique touches that make it feel like something you want in the collection, whether to wear or to keep on ice. So yeah, if you're into sneakers with history and character, this is one of those pairs you don't want to sleep on. Once again, I got mine from kickwho.cc, and remember, use DECENT20 to save 10 bucks at checkout.